Dear all, in this video we will see how to do a school registration in Ganga Quest. First of all, go to the URL www.gangaquest.com. Once you are there, you can either go to the registration tab given in this homepage, or you can also click on register here. Once you do that, you will see that you can register either as an individual or school. Here we will go to the school. You have only 3 fields to be filled. You have to register your email ID, your mobile number and the password. In this checkbox, basically it says that you have read the terms and conditions. If you haven't, you can just click on this, read the entire terms and conditions, and once you have read and understood, then click on this checkbox and click on send OTP. As soon as you do that, you should receive an SMS in your mobile number that you have entered while registering. I am entering the OTP right now that I have received. It is a 6-digit number. This is my OTP. I have entered. Now I have verified. My registration is successfully completed. I have received my registration number through an SMS as well. If you want, you can note it down somewhere because this will be an important detail. You have received an SMS, so you can make sure that you don't delete that SMS. Now we will log in since we have completed our registration process. Go to the login, click on school, enter your registration number and your password that you entered at the time of registration. You have entered the dashboard. In this, you have to the first step is to complete your profile details. The most important thing that you need to enter is the UDICE code, which is an 11-digit unique code for each school. I am copying here one UDICE code. Ideally, all these fields, that is school name, district, state, address, will be filled automatically as soon as you enter a familiar UDICE code. If not, then you can manually enter your details, which is school name, your address, and your contact number and email ID is already there. Submit the profile. Now your profile is successfully updated and you can proceed to add the students. Go to the student tab, click on add all students. Here you will see that you have an option to upload an Excel sheet, but before you do that, please download the format from download Excel sheet tab. I have done that already and also opened it, so I will show you how this looks like. This is my format. In this you have to enter the student details, their first name, last name, mother name, class, section, their student ID, which is basically in their school ID, whatever the number is, you need to write it down here. Email ID, if individual email ID for the student is not available, a single email ID will also do, which could be of the contact person of school. Their gender, password that you want to give them for login to the system, login to Ganga Quest, and the school registration number, which is the number that you get when you completed your registration in Ganga Quest successfully. I have already done that. So I have entered some 4 entries. You can enter as many students as possible. Schools with maximum participation have exciting prizes, so we encourage maximum participation for each school. I have saved it as a CSV file. Please note that it is important that you save this as a CSV file. Now let us try and upload this. I will try and upload the Excel sheet that I have just now edited. and I will then submit. I can see that it is saying that it is successfully saved. Let me check. I will go to the student and then look at the student list. Yes, it is right. All the details are now coming, all the details that I have entered. If you, at the time of entering in the CSV file, if there was any mistake, you can actually edit each person's detail and from this student tab. If not, just go back to the add all student list. After some time, you will get an option to download the registration number for all the students that you have entered. So you ideally, the maximum time that we are taking to produce registration number for all students is 1 day. So please check your profile again in a day, and you should receive an Excel sheet in this student tab which you download, and please give it to all the students. Once you have the registration number and password for all the students, they can log in as an individual and attempt the quiz. All the best to the schools, and wish, if you require any further assistance, please email us at info@gangaquest.com or also call us at the numbers given in contact us. Thank you so much.